Hi guys, welcome to Everything Blockchain. We all know blockchain gaming has always struggled with scalability, but Somnia is aiming to change that. An L1 built for gaming and the metaverse, designed to handle real-time, high-performance applications at scale. And it's backed by some serious funding. Improbable, the company behind Somnia has raised $822 million, while Somnia itself has secured over $270 million, putting it in the same bracket as Monad. And who's not farming Monad? But here's where Somnia stands out. It has 100x the throughput, 5 times lower latency, and at least 10 times cheaper to use, or at least that's what they claim. This level of performance unlocks use cases no other EVM chain can currently handle. Fully on-chain games that run in real time, metaverse and entertainment experiences that are powered by user-generated content, AI-powered agents that interact seamlessly on-chain, a fully on-chain order book, think Hyperliquid, but in a shared gaming ecosystem. And thanks to Somnia's reactive blockchain design, everything connects in new ways. Imagine playing a shooter in a game and wagering on getting 10 headshots in your next match, directly on-chain. So imagine prediction markets on top of games. Sounds cool, doesn't it? So the Shannon Testnet went live at the end of Feb, and Somnia Points Season 4 is currently live. So it's not too late to jump in, explore, and earn rewards. Let me show you how to get started. First, we're going to connect our wallet and add the Somnia network. Secure some STT test tokens. Remember, you can only claim them once every 24 hours. Once you finish claiming the tokens, head over to Somnia Swap, mint some ping and pawn tokens. Then we're going to make some swaps. You can swap ping to pawn or pawn to ping. Once we are done swapping, we are going to create a token. Just follow the on-screen steps and you're good to go. Next, you're going to set up your profile. You're going to link your Discord, Twitter, Telegram to participate in quests. Now, we head to the quest platform and start completing the tasks. Some like the mascot meme coin quest has ended. As you can see here, there was this competition running. But we have 2 more. We have sharing is caring, which requires you to send and receive STT from someone. And this one right here, it's simple social tasks, quick and easy points. You want to earn even more? There are ways. Somnia has this community guidebook that I've linked in the description. It outlines all the ways you can earn points, including on-chain and social tasks. You have dApps and tool building, content creation, and community engagement. Basically, something for everyone. You can boost your point earnings through multipliers, which are obviously linked to specific ranks based on the activities you do. And if you're a creator, you can join the creator program to educate, create, and amplify content. But if you're someone who's into art, you can reach out to the moderator team on Discord to contribute to the network. That's it. That was a quick walkthrough of Somnia. It's testnet. Of course, there are other dApps in the ecosystem, which I will link in the description. But for now, this is how you can get involved in Season 4 of Somnia Points. So it's your turn to jump in, explore, and let me know in the comments what you think about Somnia. All links are in the description. Don't forget to check them out. Remember, Somnia is building an ultra-scalable gaming and metaverse blockchain. So do not forget to stress test their Shannon Testnet while earning rewards. I'll be back soon. Take care. Bye.